Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry is enrolling new students. Wow! Oh, new students. Hello, look at this! School upgrade. As you wish. We no longer use magic wands. What? Why? They're outdated. As part of the school modernization, we are switching to 3D pens. Look at this. Well, not bad. What? Did I really leave my headphones at home? Somewhere there must be another pair. Where are they? Oh, such antiquity. But nothing to be done. Oh well. Did you rob a museum or something? Quite rude of her. Wow, I have an idea. I just need to add a little paste here. What is she doing there? Shake. And done. Much better now. Are you kidding me? Ah. Yes, so elegant. Now let's take some nail polish. Oh no, I just paid off the credit for it. What to do? Exactly, there's no problem that can't be fixed with a cotton ball. It's not helping? What if we try a file? Useless. But I also have a sponge. Come on. Oh no! It's only getting worse. It looks terrible. But I can make a new one. Let's start. We'll use a 3D pen to draw patterns, carefully, so as not to smudge. Oh, I like it. You can choose any color. Hey friend, you won't believe the upgrade I did for my phone. Wow, that's a game changer. How interesting. What is this? Glasses? Oh no! Did you say something? No, you must have misheard. I might as well put her to sleep before she sees what I've done. Why am I so sleepy? What should I do? Oh, I have an idea. Now they won't be needed anymore. A little creativity and a 3D pen. Let's make 2 rings. Then we'll connect them, decorate them, add the frames, attach carefully, and the glasses are ready. Pink. She'll definitely love them. We need to act carefully so as not to wake her up. Oh. Even more carefully. Done. Strange how I fell asleep right here. How unusual. Just hope she doesn't notice. Doesn't matter. Phew, that went well. Let's see what we have here. Just look at my ring collection. Wow. Amazing. The more jewelry, the better. She looks so good with those rings. I wish I had something like that. But I can make my own. Let's cut a juice box straw. And connect the ends. Done. How do you like it? Looks like she's not impressed. Oh, I have another idea. A keychain ring. Also a ring, right? I think it's not my size. Hey, friend. Don't be so upset. I know what can help you. Wow. Great. Why didn't I think of this before? Let's draw a ring. Decorate it. Done. Look. Isn't it great? Wow. Magnificent. Yes, that's right. Wow. Did you make all this yourself? Can I try it on? It suits you. I knew it. Wow. Did you make all this yourself? Oh, my hair is such a mess. Mine too. Wait. I know how to fix everything. Hair clip. Just what I needed. Give it. I need it more. No, me. What have we done? Emergency situation. That means it's time for Plan B. Special emergency box for Plan B. Great! Ready, friend? Let's get started. Let's draw a hairpin in the shape of Ma. Glue it together. And done. Wow. It looks great on you. I have another idea. Let's take a pen and wrap plastic around it. Now, carefully remove it. Connect the ends, and we have a beautiful hairspring. Look! Wow, amazing! Now my hair is in order. Yes? Okay. Good. Agreed. How interesting. Can't look away. Well, goodbye. What's this? This is not my backpack. Whose is this? Barbie? These are her things. Something has to be done about this. And I know just what. I'll write my name with a 3D pen, color the letters with another color for expressiveness, and make a ring so the keychain can be attached to the backpack. Done. Oh, that's not my name. Wow, it looks great. Looks like it's yours. Yes, thanks. Now my backpack is unique. I should make one for myself. Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry is hiring new teachers. Hello, everyone. What's this? Useless and outdated thing. In my class, we will only study the most modern technologies. New technologies again.